If you want to deactivate TalkBack on OnePlus 15R, then there is a quick shortcut that you might be able to see pretty much immediately. You can just simply press and hold both volume buttons for 3 seconds. So it's gonna look like this. We're gonna press and hold these two buttons in here for 3 seconds. And after those 3 seconds, the TalkBack should be deactivated. And of course, if you see the shortcut for the TalkBack, you can of course not turn it on if you don't need it. There we go. Now, on the other hand, if you don't have this prompt or it doesn't work for you, what you can do is first you need to understand how to navigate on the phone when the TalkBack is enabled. So if you have any option, button, or anything like that, you have to tap on that option and then double tap in order to confirm your choice. So if you still are on TalkBack, you can tap on the TalkBack option and then double tap, and then once you see this, tap on a turn off and then double tap in order to turn off TalkBack quite easily. But let's say that you are on the home screen, so let me actually close everything in here. And essentially, if you want to perform any gesture like swiping, scrolling through pages, and so on and so forth, you want to use 2 fingers. If you want to go to the home screen, you can use 2 fingers to swipe up. If you use gestures for navigation, in the case of buttons, you already know how to use them. And if you want to go, let's say, to the app drawer, then we're gonna use 2 fingers to slide up over here, and there we go. 2 fingers to slide down, to scroll down, I mean. And now over here we should be able to tap on settings once, and then we're gonna double tap. Now once we go to settings, 2 fingers to scroll down again, tap on accessibility and convenience, and then double tap. Now tap on accessibility and double tap. Tap on vision once, and then double tap. Tap on TalkBack, and then double tap. And finally, we are back in the TalkBack menu, so now we can, just like before, tap on TalkBack once and then double tap to confirm, and then confirm that you want to turn it off, so tap on turn off and then double tap, and finally, TalkBack is deactivated. And you can go back to navigating with the standard ways. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.